Analog Devices' ADuM642xA series of quad-channel digital isolators have an integrated and isolated DC-to-DC converter, providing a compact and complete isolation solution for applications such as RS-232 transceivers, isolated sensor interfaces, power supply startup bias and gate drives, and industrial PLCs. This makes the ADuM642xA series a total solution. The ISO power integrated and isolated DC-to-DC converter eliminates the need for a separate isolated power supply. It can be set to a 3.3 or 5 volt output. It can drive an output current up to 100 milliamps. It also meets CISPR 32 Class B limits at full load, with signals up to 5 megabits per second on a 2-layer PCB with ferrites. The IC uses iCoupler chip-scale transformer technology to isolate logic signals and for the magnetics in the DC-to-DC converter. This minimizes external component count and the total design footprint. The ADuM642xA series provides 4 independent isolation channels that can be used with signals from DC to 100 megabits per second. Parts are offered with non-isolated and isolated input configurations of 4x0, 3x1, and 2x2. They also have 1.7 to 5.5 volt independent logic supply rails for the isolated and non-isolated sides, enabling built-in translation of 1.8 to 5 volt logic. The digital isolators are rated for 100 kilovolts per microsecond common mode transient immunity and 5,000 volts RMS isolation. The ADuM642xA series is housed in a 28-lead wide-body finer pitch SOIC package that provides 8.3 millimeters of creepage and clearance. The parts are rated for operation from -40 to +125 degrees Celsius. And to learn more about Analog Devices' ADuM642xA series quad-channel digital isolators, visit Mouser.com.